So as you can see, this is the Church Street crossing in Orlando, Florida. I did not take a video because there was practically no parking space in the area. So yeah. I, for the most part, did not get a video of this crossing or even documented it. But the signals that are here are old and new, as you can see. Right there is a General Signals Type 3 electronic bell. That did replace a Rayco mechanical bell, which that Rayco bell replaced the General Signals Type 1. There is the emergency information. I believe the front lights are Satron to white 24-inch lights. That light is a Harman to white 24-inch light. I believe so is that one. As you can see, this signal was unfortunately damaged by someone. It has an LNW base, which is 4-inch. I'm not sure what kind of lights are those, but they're not actually 12-inch lights or 8-inch lights. But they do look cool. I kind of wish I have one of these signals. And the bell is a General Signals Type 2. Here's another photo of it. And there's the other side, which is intact, but it has an NEG electronic bell. And here's another photo of that side. Here is one of the newer signals. It would feature a Siemens gate mechanism, Western Cornets by 24-inch lights with GE LEDs. I believe the uniform look. And I think this signal does have NEG LED gate lights. There's the signal. Practically the same as the other one. Incandescent 2x20-inch Satron lights. Delicious. That is track view south. And that's track view north. Green signal and red signal. And there's the grade, which is, I don't know if it's concrete or not. And yeah, that's the final photo of Church Street. Too bad that I had to make this video virtually, but it's all fine. Over and out.